Hi there everyone, it's Miss Phantom Fangs here. I just wanted to share with you my Gravid gecko. She's a Nephrurus levis occidentalis. She's very gravid. She should be having 2 eggs very soon. Just let you watch her wander around a bit. You can clearly see the 2 eggs in her belly. So I've popped a Chinese container with damp sand in it for her to lay. Just going to pick her up now. Okay, so she's got 1 egg here and the other egg is right here. So she should be giving birth any day now. So I'll keep you updated with that. As soon as she lays them, I will pop them in the incubator and I'll keep you updated with the progress of the eggs, but just wanted to share how she's going. She's probably very annoyed with me at the moment, but I wanted to show how beautiful she is. Alright, sweetheart, I'll leave you alone now. Alright, thanks for watching.